Hello and welcome to the School of Life. My name is CHIOMA AGWUNOBI, and of course, I am the status quo disruptor. Now, I believe that every one of us is born to shine like the star. Have you ever looked at the sky at night, when it has stars, and seen it as well when it doesn't have stars? Which do you prefer? I prefer that starry night, when the stars are all there shining and twinkling. So usually it beautifies the sky, and also it just gives light. It's just beautiful to look at. I feel like that's what life is. Life is like that deep, dark sky, at night that doesn't have any light up there. Okay, and we are those lights. We are those stars. We're meant to shine bright. We're meant to illuminate. We're meant to beautify the world. We're meant to find that star in us and just let it shine. So everyone has got that star power. You might think, oh, it's just for celebrities or really famous people. No, I say 1,000 times no. It's for you. It's about you. You're a star. You're meant to shine. So today we're going to look at how to shine your star power. So now, the first step in shining your star power, I need you to remember this. It's very important. Ensure you surround yourself with the right people. People who believe in you, who believe in where you're headed, people who can see that star power in you. You want to make sure that you're infusing yourself with positive energy and not negative energy. And the people around you are either bringing positive energy or negative energy. So it's extremely important, right? I'm going to cite 3 examples. They're biblical examples, but very valid for what we're talking about. Now, Mary was on a journey to her stardom, to her destiny, to fulfilling that call, that stardom. And she found Elizabeth, a woman who was also on that journey, who made her baby leap. Also, you have Samuel. Samuel was on a path, on a journey as well. And Samuel had Eli. Esther was on that journey to the palace. Esther had Mordecai. Who do you have with you? Who is partnering with you on this journey? Who have you surrounded yourself with? Remember this, when God wants to promote a man, he puts a man in that man's life. When the devil also wants to pull you down, he puts a man in your life. Who do you have in your life and in your circle? Very important. So step number two is very important. I don't think I can emphasize this enough. I'm always talking about this. Ensure you have positive self-talks. It's important you hear from yourself, and it's important that the things you hear from you keeps you motivated. So in shining your star power, you need to make sure you're saying the right things to yourself. Now, beyond saying them, it's important to write them out. And beyond writing them out, put them where you constantly see them, where it can always be in your sight. Okay, put it up, paste it up on your fridge, paste it up on your door, put it up everywhere where you can see it. I am a winner. I will not fail. I will succeed. Put these things up. Say them to yourself. Within the space as well, I would recommend you keep a journal. I like to call it the book of gratitude or the book of testimonies. Those little battles, those victories, those things you have conquered, those trophies that you win on a daily, record them down, okay? Oh, I got this promotion. Oh, I did this. I made this presentation. I got this result. Make sure that you put them in that record. Why? Because your emotions are fleeting. They are like roller coasters. It can be up today, down tomorrow. So you cannot trust your emotion to carry you through the journey of life. You have to ensure you have systems and structures that will help to sustain you. So when the negative thoughts are coming into your head, and when your feeling is not in alignment with the words you're saying and the vision you're pursuing, you go back to those things you have written down. You open up that journal and you say to yourself, okay, if I did this in January, I can do it again in February. I can even do better. If God did this through me, or he did this for me, he can equally see me through this. So it's extremely, extremely, extremely important that you're having the right self-talk, positive self-talk with yourself, right? Step number 3, take bold steps into your uniquely brilliant purpose. Remember that statement. Uniquely brilliant purpose. You have been blessed with a talent or 2. Find what it is and just work on it and push it out to the world. You will never know how far it will take you. Okay, Don't be afraid, don't be shy, and of course do not have any form of inferiority complex. Push out that talent. The world is waiting for it. Let's all go out there and shine. My name is CHIOMA AGWUNOBI, your status quo disruptor, and this has been the School of Life. Now, if you need any form of support or further guidance on this, or you probably feel maybe I may just be your Mordecai or your Elizabeth, please feel free to reach out on Instagram at CHIOMA AGWUNOBI1, Facebook, and of course YouTube at CHIOMA AGWUNOBI. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. I love you so much, and this has been a fabulous time. Let me leave you with these few words of mine. You're a star. Announce your presence by shining. And remember, it's in your nature.